Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Know your LAN subnet, device IPs, and which services must remain reachable. Once done, pick a firewall form factor, dedicated appliance, third-party router firmware, or host-based software, because each changes placement and policy scope. Make a quick backup of your current router settings and note admin logins, since you will revert if anything breaks. Next, connect to the device management interface and set a static IP for the firewall so rule application and troubleshooting remain stable. You now place the firewall in line or enable it on your router, making sure traffic flows through it. This matters because only inline inspection blocks unwanted traffic. Configure interface addresses and NAT so internet-bound traffic translates correctly, otherwise hosts won't reach WAN. Create a baseline policy. Default deny on inbound, allow established /related connections, and then add explicit allow rules for services like HTTP, SSH, or EOT ports. Make rule names descriptive and order them top-down. You finish by verifying functionality. Test internal to internet traffic, remote access, and services from a separate network segment or mobile data to confirm rules behave as intended. Enable and monitor logs for dropped packets and allowed sessions, since logs tell you why a flow failed. If something breaks, make controlled rollbacks. Disable the newest rule or revert to your backup and perform changes in a maintenance window. One key tip: keep console or physical access available in case you lock yourself out during rule tuning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.